All right, now that we've created a solutions drawing, we're going to go ahead and create an animation of the puzzle cube so that we can see how it's put together and how it comes apart. So the first thing is we're going to switch from our design workspace to our animation workspace. And you can adjust in the animation workspace your position with scrolling and the same navigation cube. You want your cube to be centered and a little bit smaller. That way we can see when we pull the parts away each of the different locations and so on. So the first thing we're going to do is we have this timeline on the bottom. We're going to go ahead and progress the timeline up to 2. And now we're going to go to select this transform. A quick key command for that is M. So we select transform. Now the first one, we'll go ahead and grab this orange block. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to grab the arrow. I'm going to push it back and to the right so that it sits there. Then I'm going to click OK. Now the next piece I'm going to move is going to be, or I'm going to transition this timetable up to 4 inches or 4 seconds. Then I'm going to hit M. I'm going to select the blue piece, grab this and pull it down and to the left until it clears the center object. Then click OK. Now progress again another 2 seconds. Click on transform, take the green block, I'm going to push that back to the left, and then click OK. And then I'm going to move this 2 more seconds. Click transform, select the red block, and pull it down and to the right. And then click OK. So now I've moved all of the parts away. If I go ahead and I move my timeline back, then I can hit play and it will pull apart each of the components. So one thing I want to note is that I did not end up changing my views at all, and so it did not capture any view changes. But for example, if I were to progress forward to, say, a second, then I were to adjust my view by spinning around, then you'll see this little camera icon at the top. Then I could go another second, spin again, go another second, spin again, and then a final second. Go to my home position. Now it's actually captured that movement with these cameras. So if I move back and then I press play, we'll see that the parts come apart. And it shows us the animation of those moving. So let's go ahead and we're going to publish this video. The default settings are fine, 800 by 600, and we'll just go ahead and click OK. That's going to pull up where to first save the file type. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead, it's going to save as a AVI. You'll notice that I am not currently saving it to the cloud. If you want, you can click on that and it will also save that to the cloud. Otherwise, it's going to save to my computer. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and change this to just save in my desktop. And then I'll click Save. And then click Save here. It's going to go ahead and create that video, and then it's going to save it both in the cloud and on my desktop. Now once I've saved that there, I can go ahead and I'll end up putting the file in my drive. So I'll do that. So I've got my drive. I'm going to go ahead and right click, do new folder, 3.5, actually U 3.5, Anaya PC. Go ahead and click create. Then once I've created that, I'll go ahead and upload the files to this. So in this case, let's go here. We're going to go ahead and go to the desktop, find the animation. You can see it here, Anaya PC version 4 AVI, and we'll go ahead and we'll drag that up into the folder. So now you can go ahead and see those files. You can link that into your engineering notebook. Otherwise, if we run it from here, go ahead, click on that, and it shows us this animation with the parts coming apart. And then spinning the whole thing around. So that is how we make the exploded view and how we create the animation and save the video. Have a good day.